Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Dealing with the black screen of death on your iPhone can be concerning, but there are several methods you can try to fix it. So, we are here bringing you three ways to potentially resolve this issue. So, let's get started. First method is charge your phone. Sometimes the black screen may occur due to a drained battery. Connect your iPhone to a power source using the original charging cable and adapter. Allow your iPhone to charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes, even if the screen remains black. After charging, try turning on your phone by pressing and holding the power button. Our second method is forced restart your iPhone. If your iPhone is unresponsive and has a black screen, performing a forced restart may help. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then do the same with the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After forced restarting, check if your iPhone boots up normally. If the above methods don't resolve the issue, you can try using an iOS repair tool. Simply connect your iPhone to your computer and open the iOS repair tool. If prompted, trust the computer on your iPhone and enter the device passcode. Choose the option to restore or update your iPhone. This will erase all data on your device and install the latest version of iOS. Follow the on screen instructions to complete the restore process. These methods can help resolve the iPhone black screen issues in most cases. If the problems persist after trying these steps, it may indicate a hardware issue and you may need to contact Apple Store or visit the Apple Store near you. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.